photographer from the Geelong Advertiser came and took some photos of us with the car.
We got some tools. Big tools.
They're gonna go in the newspaper. Well, it's my first time in like the Geelong Advertiser and stuff.
It was my first time being in the Geelong Advertiser. Hopefully some of my friends from Grofdale sees it. So yeah, because it'd be surprising to some people that I know. You reckon I'm a bit shy and that kind of stuff? Yeah.
What am I doing with this? I feel great because heaps of people are going to get to see me. I'm famous now.
That's good. It's good. The kids seem to be enjoying it. Hey guys, right this way guys. Looks good there. Traffic style, boys.
Well, I've been using a small sander to get in the fine edges and where the door's been, and the side edges as well.
Well, we've continued sanding in between where the doors are. We've had to do way too much sanding on the car.
Back and forth, all the way.
And it's yeah, considering there's like 3 layers of paint, it just makes it that bit harder.
And you can actually sort of see that you've actually done something because it goes from blue to silver and you know you've done it.
It'll be worth it in the end.
I've taken the exhaust off today. I don't like the panel beating that much. This project makes me feel that I'm more into mechanics than I am into the panel beating.
I'm Ethan's father. They seem to be enjoying it now. Ethan just breaks his neck to get down here after school at night time, so yeah, he's pretty happy with that. I just hope that they stick to it. That might be the disappointing part, but he has a few dreams about different cars and things that he'd like to get and do up, and hopefully one day he may, who knows where it'll take him.